Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are staying safe at home. Now today for this video, let's begin with our video on how to multiply any number with 125, as well as not only this much, I'm also going to tell you how to multiply any number with 625. Now both the tricks are going to be super interrelated, super easy and super awesome. If you haven't watched my last video yet on how to multiply any number with 25, this was my last video, so do watch it. Do visit my playlist Math Magic for Vedic Maths, because if you don't know this trick now, you'll be not able to multiply any number with 125 easily, because these two tricks are very interrelated. If you are able to multiply any number with 25 easily, then you will be able to multiply the same number with 125 even more easily. Now if you are able to multiply any number with 125 easily after watching the video, then you will be able to multiply the same number with 625 even more easily. So this is all about the video. Now let's begin with our content of the video. Now moving on, let's take our example as 3245 into 125. Okay, so now for solving this, all you need to do is just multiply this number with 25. Now that is why I have told you that please watch that video. If you are able to multiply any number with 25 easily, then you will be able to multiply the same number with 125 even more easily. So your answer would be 81125. How I got this answer? I got this answer using the trick on how to multiply any number with 25. Okay, now what you will do is just put a 0 behind it. Just put a 0 behind it. 1 0, nothing else. Just put a 0 behind it, and guys, you will be able to solve this type of questions even more easily. And once you add a 0, only 1 0, then divide this number with 2. Dividing any number with 2 is even more easier, I believe. So your answer would be 2 4s are 8, 2 0s are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. Isn't it very simple? And guys, guess what? 405625 is your answer. Do check it using a calculator. This answer would be 110% correct. Not even a digit would be wrong. So this is the way how you can do this type of questions. Now moving on, let's multiply the same number instead of 25 with 625. Okay, with 625. We will learn this trick as well. So now when you have to multiply any number with 125, if it's 1 into 125, then just multiply this number by 25, then put a 0 in the end, and then divide this number by 2. Isn't it very simple? But when you want to divide any number with 625, what you will do is just multiply this number with 125 and just multiply this number with 125, put a 0 in the end and divide it by 2. If you multiply any number with 625, you have to do the same. Now let's understand this trick through some examples. Say 3245 into 625. So first multiply this number with 125. We have done now only, and we got our answer as 405625. 405625. We have done it now only, isn't it? Now just add a 0 in the end, and then divide this number with 2. If you divide this number with 2, you get your answer as, just a second, you get your answer as 202825. Isn't it so simple? And now check this answer using a calculator. Your answer would be approximately, not approximately, I can say this answer is 110% correct. If you multiply 3245 with 625, you get your answer as 202825. Check it using a calculator if you won't believe. Moving on, let's take another example for multiplying any number with 625 now. So what should be our next example? Okay, 60421 into 125. Now just multiply this number with 25 first of all, and then add a 0 in the end, and then divide the number by 2. For if I multiply this number with 25 easily, so I have told the trick, so you would be knowing that. Okay, so your answer would be 1510525. And then what you will do is put a 0 in the end. Do not forget this step, and then just divide this number by 2. So this way you can easily get your answer. So your answer would be, 1 second. So your answer would be 7 and 5, 2, 6, 2, 5. 7, 5, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5. And guys, if you won't believe, check this answer with a calculator. This would be 110% correct. Any number multiplied by 625 easily. Isn't was this very easy? Yes, this was very easy. You can multiply any number with 125. That is the reason you can multiply any number with 625 as well. If you can multiply any number with 25, then you can multiply any number with 125 as well. So, moving on, let's take the same example for 625. Okay, now let's multiply this with 625. So, you know that when we multiply this number with 125, what answer we achieve? We achieve the answer as 7, 5, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5. Simple. Now what you will do is just multiply this with 625. So for that you have to multiply this number with 125, and then do not forget, put a 0 in the end, and then divide this number with 2. Divide this number with 2. So your answer would be 2 2s are 4. Oh, just a second. 2 3s are 6. 1 2 7s are 14. 1 2 7s are 14. 1 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 3 7 7 6 3 1 2 5. Achieving such a long answer in seconds, wasn't that a magic? Yes, that was a magic. Yes. So now moving on with our another question as well. Now we will solve this type of questions within seconds with a lot of examples. So the video would be long, but I hope that the video would be so informative. 894 into 125. Now first of all, multiply this number with 25. Simple. So your answer would be 22300. It won't be 00, it would be 50. 22350. Now add a 0 in the end. 0 last mein laga do, and then divide this number with 2. Simple. So now if you divide this number with 2, so your answer would be 1 1, then 7 5 0. 111750. Check it using a calculator. This answer would be 110% correct, guys. I swear that. Now moving on, let's take the same example 894 and multiply this same example with 625. So now only we have multiplied it with 125. So for multiplying any number with 625, first multiply this number with 125. That we have done now only, and we have learned the trick as well. And then add a 0 in the end, and then divide the number by 2. Simple, isn't it? Very, very, very simple. So if you multiply this number with 125, the answer we achieved was 111750. Now add a 0 in the end, and then divide this number with 2. So your answer would be 5 8 7 5 0 58750. So guys, this is a proper answer. Calculator उठा के check कर लो. This would be 110% correct. I again believe. Now moving on, let's take another example is 28 into 125. Now we will started with a high question that was 3245 into 125, and we are coming to a lower question that is 28 into 125, right? So now if you are able to do the higher questions, you will be able to do this simple questions as well in very easily. Now first multiply this with 25. So multiplying this with 25, you get your answer as 700. Now just add a 0 in the end, and then divide this by 2. So your answer would be 3500. So your answer is 3500. So if you multiply 28 with 125, so you get your answer as 3500. Isn't it so simple? Now let's take the same example and multiply the same number with 625 as well. So your answer was 3500. So first of all, 28 into 125 you will do. If you are understanding my steps, and then do tell me in the comments. 28 into 125. So 28 into 125 would be 3500. We have done now only, and that also you have to do according to the trick. Now what you will do is just take this number, add a 0 in the end, and then divide this by 2. So your answer for this also has to be 17500. 17500. Do check it using a calculator. The answer would be 110% correct. Am I repeating this a lot of times? Yes. Now, moving on, let's check another example as 49 into 125. 49 into 125. So first of all, multiply this 49 with 25. Okay, multiply this 49 with 25 and then put a 0 in the end, and the answer that you get divided by 2. Isn't it very simple? So just try to do this. I give you some, pause the video, try to do this and then verify your answer with me while watching the video again till the end. Okay, so now 49 into 125, so it would be 1 2 2 5. What we did, we multiplied this 49 with 25, so we get this answer. How I am multiplying with 25 this easily? Because I have another trick on my video on my channel already uploaded. That is how to multiply any number with 25 easily. So use that trick. With that trick you will be able to do this type of questions easily. So your answer was 1225. Now add a 0 in the end and then divide this number with 2. So your answer now would be 6125. Simple. Isn't it very simple? Yes, this is very simple. Now, if you have to multiply the same number with 625 as well, then for this, what you will do is, now let's multiply the same number with 625. So multiply 49 with 125 first of all. With the result, add a 0 in the end and then divide the number by 2. Isn't it very simple? Yes, this is very simple, guys. I believe this is very simple. So first of all, your answer was 6125 when you multiplied it with 125. So you know the trick for 125 as well, na? Add a 0 in the end and then divide this number with 2. So if you divide this number with 2, you get an answer as 30625. 30625. Isn't it very simple? You get your answer at an extent point. Moving on, another example. So I have another question for you guys. 8461 into 125 as well as 625, both the numbers. Another question would be 2702 into 125 as well as 625, both the numbers. And then my last question would be 9461 into 125 as well as 625. Do tell me the answers of the 3 questions in the comments below if you were able to do this using this trick. So first of all, for 125, multiply the number by 25 and then add a 0 and then divide by 2. 625, multiply it by 125, put a 0, divide by 2. Simple. Do the 3 examples frequently, accurately. Practice this at home so that you can get a better note of this trick. And guys, this was it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care, tata and bye bye.